In this video, I'm going to show you guys the absolute best way to find trending Redbubble niches that will make you at least $100 per day using free tools. This method is for beginners who don't have any skills and would like to make money from Redbubble alongside their work and from anywhere in the world. If you guys don't have a Redbubble account and you'd like to find out how to register to sell on Redbubble, check out my video on how to create a Redbubble account. It would be in the Redbubble playlist on my channel. Let's go on my computer and let's dive right in. So guys, one thing you need to understand about Redbubble is that if you want to sell, you really have to do your research properly. You can have the best design in the world, but if the niche is not well researched and there's no demand in that niche, no one is going to buy it. And vice versa. You can have a crappy design, but if the niche is very high in demand, you might have a chance at selling that design. So rule number one, the research has to be on point. And hopefully this is what I'm going to teach you in this lesson about how to find the best niches on Redbubble. Now you can go for evergreen niches, but the issue with evergreen niches is that they don't sell very much compared to trending niches. So in this strategy, we're going to cover trending niches because they're the ones that sell very well. And if you're first in the trend, you can actually crush sales. A lot of people will tell you to go to clothing like so, go to t-shirts and then check the best selling t-shirts, see all. The problem with this strategy is that these t-shirts are very old and you'll tend to find the exact same t-shirts pop up all the time. Why? Because they're old, they're ranked really high, and the shops are very old as well. And yes, you can go to trending as well and check what's trending right now, but a lot of people are going to be doing the same thing. And usually these trends will have a lot of competition. And if you want to find the best trends, you have to dig deeper, keep going down and down and down and go to next page and the next page, etc., etc. Aside from doing this strategy right here that I've just mentioned to you, which you can definitely do, but I'm going to propose another strategy. We're going to get trends from Merch by Amazon that have just started taking off, and we will check if they are doing well on Redbubble or not. And if they're trending on Redbubble, we can actually start making designs on them. So let me show you how it works. We'll go to this tool that we've developed for free called merchdominator.com. It actually gives you all the keywords that you need for research for Merch by Amazon. It has all the marketplaces of Merch by Amazon, all the products including KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and it gives you the zip code that you need to use for each location so you can get accurate data. So let's say we type Thanksgiving, it will give you a bunch of keywords that are trending well at the moment on Amazon, and you can go directly and check for competition on Amazon. But this is not what we're doing now. I just wanted to show you how the tool works briefly. So we're going to remove this keyword right here. We're not going to put any keyword, and we're going to keep the marketplace at .com, product t-shirts, and we're going to click on search on Amazon. In the deliver to tab, if you have a different address or a different country from the country that you're trying to search for, you have to change the zip code so that it reflects the .com market. So we're going to go here, click on zip code to copy it, come back here, change the address, put that zip code here, paste it, click on apply, and then continue. And then it changes the zip code to Los Angeles. And guess what? It changes the data as well. Because when you view a particular marketplace, let's say the US market, for example, if you view it from the UK or from Jordan or Morocco or Algeria or another place, it doesn't actually show you the right data. So you always have to view the data with a zip code that is from that marketplace. So now that we have the best-selling Merch by Amazon designs, go down here and click on last 30 days. It gives us the best-selling designs that have just come out in the last 30 days. Keep scrolling down until we find something that is not copyrighted. So this one, for example, is copyrighted. Jeff Dunham is a well-known comedian. We're not going to do anything like that. Halloween has gone already, so we're not going to work on it. The first one that pops up is I Keep Dancing on My Own. This is copyrighted. You'll get burnt if you do it. But just to prove my theory, guys, just to prove that the strategy works, this is a trending design, correct? So we're going to copy this part of the keyword, just I Keep Dancing on My Own, and I'm going to go to a brand new Redbubble window with nothing selected, and I will paste it. When I paste it, guys, it shows that it is a trend. Anything with this arrow pointing upwards, it means that it is a trend. We're going to go to these listings here on Amazon, and we'll see the ones that are trending, the ones that are not copyrighted. We'll copy the keyword and paste it right here, see if it has that arrow pointing upwards. If it does have it, it means that it's trending. Then we can click on it, and and then check how many results it has. It only has 682, which is very good, but it's risky. That's what I mean. You don't want to do anything to do with Philadelphia Dancing on My Own because it's copyrighted. It's the theme anthem for the Philadelphia NFL team. But let's say this was okay. We have our results and we want to go to best selling or trending, whichever one you want. And then we want to click on one of these, open it in another tab, and want to go to the shop. And if it is best selling, it will show up as the first ones because the best selling items always show at the start. This one looks like is a best selling item. So we can go to best selling again in this shop. It is there. This design, guys, is the best selling design that this shop has. Let's check trending, and best selling. So it means that it is selling well. And that's how we know that a particular niche is doing well. This is the first one. But again, we're not going to do a niche like this because it is copyrighted. So we're going to keep scrolling down. This is Halloween and M&Ms as well. So we're not going to do it until we find something that attracts us. This one, for example, One Thankful Teacher, brand new Redbubble page. I'm just going to type thankful. So as soon as I typed thank, I can see Thanksgiving eating team. I can see thankful, grateful, blessed leopard. I can see Thanksgiving cat. This is what people are typing right now. This is what people are searching for. And this is what people are buying on Redbubble. So let's check Thanksgiving eating team. So it has 936 results. Below 1,000, it's not bad. It works for me. And plus you can cross niche, you can sub niche and all of that to limit the amount of competition you have. So the first one that's popping up is this one right here. Let me check best selling. Still, this one is best selling. Let's check trending. Looks like this one is trending. So far we can tell that Thanksgiving eating team is a trending niche and a best selling niche. Now let's go back to best selling and I want to see if this design actually is the best selling t-shirt in this person's shop. I'm going to click on it, open the shop. It's a long method, but it is one of the best methods to find out whether a niche is selling or not. We can see it. It's amongst the first 5 designs. That means it is selling, guys. I'm telling you. So let's do best selling. It's amongst the 10 designs. It is definitely selling, this design, guys. And when we do trending, it is amongst the first 5 designs. So it is selling. And we can do the same thing with the second design, the third, fourth, whatever. This is just to prove whether it's selling or not. Because Redbubble is not like merch by Amazon. It doesn't tell you a BSR or any metric that you know for real whether something is selling or not, but we can just use these strategies like I'm showing you to kind of narrow things down. Again, we'll type thank, and we have this thankful, grateful, blessed leopard, 1,216. Okay, I'm not interested in something over 1,000, but if you want to cross niche and sub niche, fill your boots. Let's check Thanksgiving cat. Okay, 30,000. Let's check this one. Due to inflation, this is my Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It only has 354 results, guys. There we go. We've got a niche right there. Let's see if this one is selling or not. Open a new tab. Again, check the shop. It's one of the first 10 designs, but then again, guys, they only have 18 designs, so we cannot determine whether it sells or not. Let's check best selling. Yeah, it probably has never sold. I cannot tell. If it had like 1,000 designs and it was amongst the first 10, then maybe it has sold before. Let's check this one right here. Go to the shop again. So 307 designs. Let's check best selling. It is right here. So maybe it's sold. So with this niche, I'm not too sure. I mean, you've got nothing to lose. Give it a go. Try it out. See if it sells. Keep going down. This is tragedy, by the way. Women, life, freedom. Let's see if it's actually trending on Redbubble. I'm not saying you should do it. We're just going to check if it sells or not. So paste it. Women, life, freedom. They had woman, not women. So I put women, life. It shows there. Women, life, freedom, Iran. So it is a trending topic, but I would stay away from it. We'll keep going until we find something that is not copyrighted, because so far I've only been seeing copyright stuff. All right, let's check DeSantis Airlines. Right, so it's not showing an arrow pointing up. Let's check this one right here. Eat tacos. Yeah, not trending. We have this eat, sleep, coffee, repeat, but it's an evergreen niche, so it's not something I'm looking to do. Let's check this Let's Go Ghouls, even though I don't think you should do it. It's got some copyright elements there. Let's just see if it actually shows us that arrow pointing up. Yeah, people are not looking for it. Okay, chilling with my turkeys. So we had this idea of chilling with my turkeys. It's not showing on Redbubble, but we have I'm the Gamer turkey. My favorite turkeys call me Grandma Family Thanksgiving. So these are trending trending designs, trending quotes for Thanksgiving. So we get this seed keyword of turkey, we plug it in and see what we come up with. So let's check this one right here. We have 375 results, guys. Low competition here. Let's check best selling. This one looks like is a bestseller. And as you can see, the same design is trending. So I'm going to go into this shop right here and see if this design is a bestseller in this shop. They have 56 designs. Let's check bestsellers. There we go, guys. It's the 7th design and it's probably selling. But it looks like these are the bestsellers. So these are ranked by the bestsellers, guys. Guys, I've got so much to show you on Redbubble. Different tips, strategies, different things that are going to help you make money with Redbubble. So let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover some more strategies, some more tips, some more ways of working to find niches for Redbubble and to design and all of that stuff. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about Redbubble, merch by Amazon, anything to do with POD, we have a fantastic Discord server. We've got 4,105 members so far and it's growing rapidly. Make sure you join it. I'll leave you a link down below in the description. You've got all sorts of channels, and as you can see, you've got merch by Amazon, KDP, Redbubble, Etsy, other POD platforms. We're running giveaways at the moment. This is the giveaway that I'm running. Live coaching session with myself live on Discord so everybody can benefit. We'll pick the winner, deliver that live coaching session, and everybody can benefit. And if you guys need a merch by Amazon account or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for merch by Amazon along with 200 plus profitable print on demand niches, a link to check out my full ultimate merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you got some value out of this video. As usual, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below with your questions or suggestions, turn on the notifications so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.